Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Anna.
Yeah. Okay, in the last class we discussed about master data loading, right? So what we did from flat file means Excel. We loaded the data, master data, right? We loaded master data attributes. Okay, in the real time we will use it. Okay. So you are loading data from flat file Excel to master data attributes. For customer, we loaded to customer. Okay, in the same way, now we need to load same flat file and we need to load the text data. Okay, master data text. We need to load master data text. What we discussed earlier, okay. Master data means if you maintain for the info object attributes, attributes, text, or hierarchy. If you maintain anything, it will become like master data. So we just loaded attributes last class and now we wanted to load text. Okay. We loaded through X flat file. We loaded last class. Okay. Now I wanted to load for text as well. Text as well. So I have maintained the data like this. Okay. How we loaded, just we will recall it. Just go there and you can see this one. This is the judged cost we loaded and we maintain the attributes like this. Jet name, customer name, city, customer postal code and customer region. Like this we maintain it. Okay. And what is the, okay. Right click and explore data flow. So here we maintain it, right? Okay. So when we don't see any data source, right, this one, if you want to click this one, expand data flow, you can click this one. If you have any connection, it will display automatically. See, okay, this is our data source. This is our source system and we loaded to customer attributes. You can see this is attributes. In the bracket, you can see Zcast tool and attributes you can see. So this one you can see text. Okay, we want to load it. So to load data into Zcast tool text, I need data source. I need data source. So if you want to data source, then what do you do? Just drag and drop. Just drag and drop. So right click. Are you going to create or you are adding object? So we need to create it. Okay, we don't have, right? So we need to create it. What is the save system? Whatever it is displaying, I will select this one. Okay. Okay, I'm selecting from here. Okay. Just click on next. So here application component, we need to select customer. Okay, here we will follow the naming convention in the real time also. ZDS cust, right? So ZDS cust underscore text. I'll give like this. So last time we selected this one. Last time, this one. Now this time we are loading text. We need to select this option. Remember this option. Okay, last time we selected master data attributes. This time we are going to select master data text. Finish it. Okay, just go here. Okay, and before going to select this file, okay, I maintain like in the customer ID and short, medium, and long. Okay. So here text is I maintain like this, very short, 20 letters. This is 40 letters. This is 60 letters. I maintain it. So before going to maintain this, I will close this one because when we open the file, we cannot able to load. We need to close the OC. Remember this option. Last time also we selected Excel. We are not loading data from CSV file. Browse file name. Where it is browse. Okay. So in the Excel sheet, I having many sheets. Okay. So I'm selecting sheet 1. I maintain in the sheet 1. Did you observe this option? Okay. If we remove this, then only we will get all the sheets. See? Sheet 1 I maintain it. So you can maintain any sheet and you can select it. First row we are ignoring. Show file content. So now see, I having 4 sheets. In sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, something I mention it. Okay. Close this one. And derive fields from file. Click on next. So these fields only are not. Okay. Select this one. See here. I'll select this one care. Okay, no need to do any changes, just activate it. So now we are going to create data source. So now we activate it finally. Okay, these are the 4 fields available in the data source. And close this one. Now you can see from same data source, same source system, we having 2 data sources. One is customer attributes, other one text data source. Next step, what we need to do, select this one, click on this, and this right click on it, transformation, select first one, create transformation. So till now we didn't create any transformation, so it is in gray color. Gray color. See here, we already created, we already activated. That is the reason it is showing in green color. See, it is not in gray color. You can see the difference over here. So what is the screen it is showing? Okay, new transformation. Create new transformation. So from where to where you are creating the transformation? From source. This is what we created data source, right? From here to we are loading to Zcast. What type of data you are loading? Text only, right? Not attributes. If it is attribute, then we need to select this one. Now it is text only. So properly it is selected system. No need to do any changes here. Okay. Just go to rules. This is very important in the real time. And you can see here also, this is the data source icon. This is the target. Okay. Text symbol always like this. And go to rules. Okay. Now, in the target, I maintain only short description. Why I am getting only short? See here, Zcast. So in the chat cast, if you go to master data text, I selected only short text. That is the reason it is showing only one. If you maintain medium and long, then I can see more, three columns in the target. Let me activate it. Let me activate it. Okay, now you can activate it. We'll see. Close. Okay, let me close. Right click and again I will create it. See now, before earlier I did not maintain any many short description. So now I maintain medium and long description as well. The customer name is like customer name is like no surname and Umesh Kumar Reddy something, right? When it is having long name, then it is not suitable for short. Also, they want to see complete name in the median description, and that is the way I maintain 20, 40, 60. Even customer name in 60 also, it will be fit in the based on this, okay, based on this length. Okay, just maintain like this. Once you activate, you don't see this one gray color and red color. Once object is activated, you don't see it. Okay, and close it. See here, save. And activate it. Let me activate it, this object as well. We call it as a data flow. We call it as a data flow. Okay, now select this one and create the DTP. Earlier we created transformation. It is in active mode. Now we are going to create DTP. See, automatically source. What is the source? This is the source. Target is same. For data, for transformation also same objects would be there. Without transformation, we cannot create DTP. Without transformation, we cannot create DTP. Without DTP, we cannot load the data. Both are important.
Uh, Bro, you mean like in the B4 HANA or
This is
on
before
HANA?
HANA only. This is before HANA only.
Okay, okay.
If it is a BW on HANA, in BW on HANA also, same. So without DTP, we cannot load data from one object to another object. We should require
Okay.
ODP to transfer the data from one object to another object. Okay. And see why it is showing red color. I want to activate these subjects. I changed it. I maintained, right? That is the reason it is showing red color. When we do any changes in the object level, it will go in active. Directly I did master data, short, medium, long description I added. So that is the reason it is showing. Okay, now I will activate this one. So we are going to create new DTP as well. Okay. So I don't have any errors in the data flow level, in the info object level, in the DTP level. So I want to execute this DTP. So before going to execute the DTP, I want to see the data in the text data type. How we will see, and you can log in like this also. You can log into BW4 HANA GI, SAP GI, Graphical User Interface. And we have a one T code, RSMNG. What is our object name? We are loading data into the info object. So click on this characteristic, and what is our info object name? We need to enter it and then execute it. Once you execute, we can see the data load request. So here we have a option, go to utilities, go to master data tables. So here I can see this is master data table P table. We already loaded the data and we see the data last week Friday we loaded, and I can see this is the material, this is the customer, and this is the text and customer name, and you can see text, I mean city and postal code. Okay, here you can see the region as well. So I want to see the text as well. Who is the customer? So once you load text data, I can able to see in the T table. So till now we did not load it. I want to load now. Once you load the attribute data, it will store into the P table. Remember it. So master data means we having attributes, text and hierarchy, right? When we load the attribute data, it will store into the P table. When we load text data, it will store into the T table. So double click T table. Let me see how many records are there. Zero records. I don't have it. So once you load the data and then try, then see it. So let me execute it here. Execute in dialog. The file Excel file always should be in the close, otherwise it will get failed. Let's see how data load goes. See here you can see it. Request has status proceeded successfully. Do you want to display the request monitor? Yes. That means data load completed. You can see how many records are there, how much time it was taken. Total 15 records are inserted. And if you want to see them, you can go to administration data target. Remember it always. So now same screen I came here. Okay, this is attributes data load. Now you can see show connections. In the real time also you can click on show connections. This is attributes. And here you can see show connections. So this is text, this is attributes. See here, do you want to show the data? You want to see the attributes data, text data? What I did, go to filter, select filter by subtype. Then if you want to see text, if you want to see attributes, so whatever we loaded Friday, we can see in the here. See, we loaded on Friday. What is the timestamp? 2025 704 09 23 33. That time we loaded. Today is data load 7. Date is 7. And now if you select this one, if you click on filter by subtype, if you select text checkbox, you can call it as a checkbox. This is like no radio button, not checkbox. Today date is 7 and 8:54 system time. So now it is loaded, and if you want to see the data, just go to menu bar and utilities and master data tables. Click on this, and here we can see P table and T table. Click on T table, and last time we saw 0 records. Now we updated the data records, and we can see total 50. Now we can see this is what we maintain it. 102 means, what is this? 102 means text customer. Text customer for TM. This is medium. This is long. And 103 careless. Real time in the report level. When we drag and drop customer in the report level, I can see only 103. So 103 means I don't know. When I look into this text, oh, Carlos Alberto, this is the customer. Oh, okay. That is the reason we are maintaining the text in the report level. How we will see in that report level? Let me execute report as well. Okay. How last time also I don't have access, and now I got it something. Click and log on for Fieri. Okay. So I already maintain it. I try to show it on Friday and go to data management. This is Fieri Launchpad. What is the advantage Fieri Launchpad for the BW4 HANA? We can monitor the process chains. We can monitor the all objects in the by using by accessing this URL. You can do it in a mobile and tablets, any devices. But we need to do some configurations. If I ping you, you can monitor in a mobile also. But configuration should be done. Okay. And if you click on data management, if you click on query, generally we will execute into RS30 in the BW4 HANA. And okay, where we will execute /4 RS30. Here it is not working me all options. So that is the reason I am showing you. Here Bix would be there, but it is not compatible to display the data. So that is the reason I am going to here Fiori Launchpad. Okay, I am going to here. So last time, what is our Bex query name? How you will get to know? Last time I created Bex query on top of gcast tool. So let me expand this one. Last time I executed, right? This one. Zcast tool Q0001. So on master data, okay, on master data, I created one Bex query. This is kind of dashboard. Go to here and search here in the field launchpad. I am into query list. The BW cockpit. You can call as a cockpit as well, this one, BW cockpit. And see, I can see my backstory. Click on this one. See, our data looks like this one. In the customer query, so in the customer, go to sheet definition and what you maintain here, key only. This is customer technical name, Zcast tool. You maintain only key. I want to see the text as well. See here, I want to maintain key and text. So what is the key here? Save. What is the key here? 102. Okay. This is the text. I already maintain name. So in the Bex query, what I will do, I'll remove this one. I'll remove this one. I don't require this one. I'll keep into here. I don't want this customer name. I'll save it. So I want to see 102, 103, 104 customer name. When I maintain key and text so that I can see oh, this customer is from this country and this customer name is familiar. He is to come to our office like this. And go back and let me execute it again. Now I didn't maintain any name. So I maintain only key and text. I can able to see one or two means text customer Carlos. Okay, I can see only Carlos Alberto. I don't see complete name. So if you do, I maintain only text, right? So if you want long or descriptions, you can also maintain it. So you want a medium or long or short? I maintain short, medium, long. Let me keep it long and save it. Now you can see in the report level long as well. However, customer requirement, we need to work on them. Based on it, we need to satisfy them. So once you execute, you can able to see long description. See, earlier I don't see Carlos Alberto only, GPAT Ramesh, and you can see complete long name. However, we maintain in the Excel sheet. Let me open Excel sheet. This is Excel sheet. I maintain like this. See here. So long text you can see same way. This is what working, okay? And if you click on this one, and if you click on layout, and if you want to see postal code, drill down it. This is kind of drill down. So you want to see customer postal code and region. So click on data and now you can able to see this customer is relevant to this region and this is the postal code. So we maintain only five attributes only so that we can able to see only these things. Okay, if you maintain more, address, first name, last name, and first mobile number, second mobile number, alternative mobile number, and fax number, you can see all the details if you maintain. Okay, this is the data looks like in the BW4HANA cockpit level. Okay, so if you have any doubts for text, so what I did today, let me recall it. Okay, okay, last week we loaded attributes data. Okay, last week we created this one, master data, Zcast. In the Zcast, I maintain these attributes. Like this is the parent, Zcast is the parent, all attributes having this one. These are all the child of customer. So we want to display the data in the report level. Like this, we are displaying the data for childs as well. Okay. And so in the data flow level, I created the data flow. We require data source in the real time for the flat file. This is only flat file. Okay. This means Excel. We maintain the data in the Excel and we are loading it. We require the data source. If you are loading data from ECC and S4HANA, we don't have to create this data source. So if you don't know ABC and L about a BW, just click on this object and you will come to know. See, what is this data source and data source name and this is customer attributes. You can see. And just click on this one. You can see customer text data source and this is the technical name. And here you can see this is text and attributes like this. It will give the information. On the right side also you can see this is the data source icon. This is the info object. We are loading data into info object. If you want to maintain the master data and if you want to load data master data, we will load into only info object. If you load the data into info object, that is called as master data. Okay, if you load data into the ADSO, might be it will be transactional data 99%, only 1% you will maintain data into the master data as well, only 1%. And even if you maintain 1% at the ADSO as well, finally we need to load it to the info object only from ADSO to info object. Our final target is this one only. Our final target is this one only. Okay, wherever we use this info object in the report level, automatically the data will come like this. Wherever you use, automatically it will come. address, postal code, this region, text and all it will come in the report level. Okay, this is data flow, you can call it as, and just activate it. So this means activate means nothing will be see any gray color and all. Okay, and now if you have any doubts, ask me. Last week data load or this today data load. If you want to see the data after you load the data, right click, manage also you can go, okay, or else you can go to here, back, close, okay, now you can see it. Go back, go back, go back, right? RSMNGT code, RSMNGT code. See here, you need to select this radio button. We call it as a radio button. This is not a checkbox. Checkbox, if you have checkbox, multiple options you can do. This is like radio button. What is this? Our info object name, we need to enter it. Okay, execute it. Menu and go to utilities. Master data tables. So now you can see P table and T table. Double click on T table. Now execute it. You can see number of entries. And if you want to use this selection filter also, and for example, I want to know, I want to see only this customer. Okay. 107. Control Y, copy, go back. Okay. You can enter it. You can enter this customer, execute it. So now I can see only this one. Okay. Go back. This is how we will put this. This is selection screen. Whatever you give any selection, this will work. So I want to exclude 107. Click on this multiple selection. This name is multiple selection. See, multiple selection. And if you want to exclude single value or range, so I want to exclude only single value. Okay, 107 and execute it. Okay, see now you can see red color. Exclude it. Total 14 records came. Where is 107? I don't see it because we already excluded. Total 15 records, we excluded one record. This is how it will work. So if you want to put filter in inside as well, and you can put also, right click, select filter and execute this one. See, I can put filter like this. So you have to use these options, okay? If you want to remove the filter, right click, set filter, and you can delete this symbol, delete. So like this you can use it. If you want to download data, you can download it, spreadsheet, and it is asking path export, okay, like this. And you can, this option is edit, okay, if you want to change any record, you can change it. See, now it is asking, change it. So I don't want to change it. Okay, see, in the real time, generally we should not do. Okay, if it is required, then only we can do. Select this record and you can click on this display, like this, you can display it. And if you want to refresh, you can refresh it. If you do any changes, for example, I will do this change and I will do it something. So I'll save it. Okay. So now you can see already it is updated. So this one is sort. So already it is in sort mode. Let me do it sort. See, this is sort. So if I do, sorry, this is select all. This is select all. If we click on this, it will deselect all. If we do this sort, okay, this is sort already, it is in sort mode. Sort. If I do descending order, it will come higher number. Select this one, select this one and do the descending order. See 143, 142. If I select this one and do the sorting, see like this will come. This is filter. If you want to put filter, any field, I'm selecting first field and you can do it this filter as well. So right click and filter and both are same. Right click filter and set filter and this filter is both are same. And this one print preview. So generally we will not use it. If you want to use, you can use it. Go back. Okay. These are the options we have available. And if it is required, you can use it change layout as well. So if you don't want to see text language, and if you want to see only short text, you can see this is a column sets. So this is the options available while you are seeing the data. And you can see right click and you can see show options. If you want to put hide also, you can hide it. So I don't see anything. Right click and show. I can get it back again. So I can get it back. Just move it from here. Right click and you can do optimize width and freeze column, unfreeze column, sorting, descending. Same options are available. Okay. This is kind of table only. You can see table. So one more thing, okay, I want to explain you. This is a customer. Whenever we create this info object, whenever we create info object, it will create multiple tables. Whenever we create, this is entry position. Whenever we create info object, it will create multiple tables. It will create multiple tables. Multiple tables. Those are like no P table, Q table, Q table, X table, and Y table, and also H table,